Hello people. So this is my first product review. I recently purchased this drip lip mist from Mars. The shade is 08 Plum Drip. It feels super hydrating and completely non-sticky. It's totally for pigmented lips and for Indian skin tone. You can see how amazing the pigment is. I also tried it on my cheeks to test the pigment and it gave the softest and most natural glow. It is totally buildable and it's a very long lasting formula as it claims. What I do is I usually put this on for about a minute or two, and then I just take a tissue and dab it off and remove all the excess and look at the pigment it leaves, and it's more like a tint. It's a budget friendly buy. You would get this on Nykaa for about 239 rupees. I would totally recommend this. So go get yours and let me know if you would want more reviews like this.